If you are wondering if we have AI camera on Xiaomi 17, then the answer is yes. Xiaomi 17 does have a couple of AI tools in the camera, and some of them can be toggled quite easily. For example, if you open the photo mode and if you zoom all the way in to, let's say, something like, maybe like 20x or more, then we activate the ultra zoom, or actually we can use the ultra zoom. Like for example, over here we can tap on this icon that appears on the left side, and as you can see, ultra zoom can be enabled, disabled, or set to automatic. And this actually uses the AI to improve the quality of the ultra zoom, of course, because usually, of course, when we zoom all the way into 20x and above, then the quality is really terrible. Of course, this is quite natural, but with AI, we can try to improve it a little bit. But besides that, if we open the camera settings, then we can find a couple of additional AI options, like for example, the automatic night mode, the extended depth of field, and the supermoon mode, which automatically turns on when zooming beyond 20x in order to get clear details. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.